Hi, today I'll show you the game that is called What's My Animal? A game that is tailored from these two picture books, Raw by Margaret Mayo and Quiet by Paul Bright. I'm Mia. I share ChestBook stories, and I also create activities for kids that cover all what young learners need to learn English through stories and speak English confidently. It's called ChestBook Teaching. And when to learn more about this language learning methodology, check the links in the description below. So, the game. The essence of the game is to guess what animal is in other person's mind. To limit the options of the animals, because there are too many species in the world to guess from, and for the guessing person to know what animals are in the game, we'll use flashcards with 89 animals. There's a picture of the animal on the one side of the flashcard and the name of the animal on the other. This way, even if the person doesn't know the name of the animal, they can read it. The first step is to show the children the ways how to ask a question and what relevant vocabulary there is. To teach children that, we play an elementary activity to introduce children to the relevant vocabulary. We start with basic words for animal body parts and characteristics. But as the game is played, new options come to light and we simply add new words to the existing ones. So, Jon?
Wings.
Oscar?
Fins.
Jon? Fur. Oscar?
Feathers.
When children become familiar where to look for the information, we introduce questions by playing the game. There are two versions of it. The first one focuses more on forming the questions correctly. Here it is. When we play this game, you only use this, not the rest. Think of an animal. You are the first one to ask the question. If we are short of some words, then we'll add them up.
Has your animal got a tail? Yes, my animal.
Yes, it
Has.
Yes, it has. That's it. Yes, it has. Okay,
No
a tail.
tail.
So all the tails here.
Tail.
All the one with the tails. Would that be a tail as well?
Yeah.
All right. So let's put the tails there. Has your animal got wings? Has your animal got wings?
No, my animal.
The short one?
No.
It.
Hidden.
No. If you ask has, then the answer is hasn't. So, can you say it again? No.
Is.
It.
Is.
Not isn't.
Has.
Hasn't.
Has your animal got whiskers?
These are whiskers, see? And this one doesn't have whiskers.
No, it hasn't.
No, it hasn't. So, do we have the right animal?
Yes.
So, what is your animal?
My animal is dolphin. A dolphin.
A dolphin. My animal is a dolphin. We did a great job. The second version is focused on putting together the relevant description of the animal using all the presented options of forming a question using the verbs be, have got, and can.
My animal has got paws and a tail. My animal is tiny and it's a pet. And my animal can bite and walk.
It's a fun English game, no matter which version you use, isn't it? And it's easy English too, because children have everything what they need in order to form a question and answer visible and displayed in front of them. By playing this game, children gradually internalize when to use the verb have got, when to use the verb be, and when to use the verb can. Even though it may sound complicated, it is not. Children simply love it. That's it for today. So don't forget to press the like button if you like the game. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, you can do that now. We present fun and easy English games as well as picture books. See you in my next video.